Proton Pass tutorial, how to use Proton Pass. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you on how you can use Proton Pass, the new password manager from the creators of Proton Mail and Proton VPN. If you're looking for a secure open source alternative to mainstream password managers like LastPass or 1Password, Proton Pass might be the perfect choice. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through on how to set it up, use it to store and autofill your password, generate strong passwords, and more. Now, the first thing that we want to talk about is what exactly is Proton Pass. Now, Proton Pass is an end-to-end encrypted password manager designed with privacy and security in mind. It was built by the same team behind Proton Mail, which is well known for secure encrypted emails. Proton Pass offers features like a secure vault, 2FA support, password sharing, and aliases to mask your identity when signing up on a website. It works on web, Android, iOS, and as a browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Brave. Basically, to get started, you can just navigate through their official website, which is proton.me/pass. In here, you can then go ahead and sign up using your Proton account, or you can then create one by clicking on the Create a Free Account button. Simply once inside, you can then choose the free plan or upgrade to Proton Unlimited for additional features. In our case, we are then going to select the first plan right here, which includes one user account, unlimited login and notes, unlimited devices, passkey supported, and lastly, secure vault sharing. Now for the next plan, which is the Pass Plus, it is going to be one user account, unlimited login and credit cards, integrated two-factor authenticator, unlimited devices and aliases, advanced alias feature, passkey supported, secure vault, item and link sharing, and lastly, dark web monitoring and Proton Sentinel. Now, let's go ahead and proceed with the free version right here. Scroll down and you will be able to simply type in your email address and your password in order to create your Proton Pass account. Basically, right after, it will then take us to this page, so you just have to click on the I understand that if I lost my account or recovery details, I may permanently lose access to my accounts. So I suggest downloading the PDF file right here. And so we can now click on the continue button. Now, you can basically install the Proton Pass browser extension or download the mobile application for easy access on the go. In my case, I'm going to download the Chrome extension right here. Now I'm using Opera, but I'll go ahead and download the Chrome extension on my own browser. So let's just wait for this to load in and we will be able to simply go ahead and use Proton Pass. And so let's talk about some features of Proton Pass. Number one is that they have encrypted vault. Now your passwords and notes are end-to-end encrypted and you can only access them. They have autofill, automatically fill in login credentials across websites within the browser extension. You have your password generator. You can create strong secure passwords with customizable length and characters. You have secure notes. You can basically store sensitive information beyond just the login details. You have your aliases as a feature. Basically, this is only for premium subscriptions. Now, you can hide your real name or real email when signing up for websites using the Proton Mail aliases. You then have the cross-device sync. Your data syncs across all devices in real time. And lastly, they are open source. They are transparent and independently audited for trust and security. And now, how can you basically get started with Proton Pass? You can just click on the import your passwords on the extension right here. In my case, I'm going to click on the extension tab. And simply once inside, you then want to click on the Proton Pass right here. You will be able to select the personalization. I'll select dark. And once inside, you will be able to go ahead and create a login, create the hide my email alias. You can create a credit card and more. Now to add the password manually, you can just click on the import password button, or in other websites, it's going to be add item in your vault or in your extension right here. Once inside, you then want to enter the website URL, username, and password. Now, it's going to go ahead and look something like this if you are using some of the websites or browser right here. So, for example, if you're using something like Google, you can just click on Google right here, and you will be able to import all of the files inside your Google to your Proton Pass account right here. Now, you can basically once again enter the website's URL, username, and passwords. You can also add tags, notes, and custom fields. You can save the item and it will be encrypted and stored in your vault. Now, you can also go ahead and import passwords from Chrome, Firefox, or other password managers using the import tool in the settings like I've mentioned right here. Once again, you can just navigate through the page right here. You can then click on one of the options, click on create a login. Inside, you then have your title. So for example, I have an account on some websites named pop.com. I'll then enter it right here for me to go ahead and remember. You then have your username, your password, your secret key, the websites, and notes. Now, as a note, I'm going to add POP once more. Click on the create login and you should be good to go. Now, let's talk about on how you can use Autofill and Generator. Now, once the browser extension is installed, Proton Pass will offer to autofill your login details when visiting saved sites. You can also click the extension icon tools to basically view your saved credentials, edit entries on the fly, generate new passwords when signing up for accounts. Now, the password generator is customizable. You can go ahead and include numbers, symbols, or exclude similar characters for readability. So once again, let's just navigate through our page right here. And once inside, you will be able to go ahead and view all of your stored information. Now, let's talk about the mobile app overview of Proton Pass. Basically, it will look something like this, familiar with our browser extension. And now for the security and privacy. Now, security in Proton's priority is the end-to-end encryption, meaning even Proton can see your data. You have zero-knowledge architecture. They have optional two-factor authenticator. It supports hardware keys and authenticator apps. And lastly, you can go ahead and also use the Proton Sentinel in the Pro plans for enhanced account protection. And now, that's the complete beginner's guide to using the Proton Pass. It's secure, easy to use, and backed by a company that truly values privacy. Whether you're switching from another password manager or looking for a trusted place to store your digital life, Proton Pass is worth checking out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want a follow-up video on this specific or similar topics right here. As always, thanks for watching.